Ricky Bobby here. We want you guys to take advantage of this sale. We just started AwesomePetFood.com. We've been doing it. We've had the website for about a year now, and we haven't even uploaded all of the products from all the manufacturers. We just got back from Orlando, and it was a manufacturers convention and all the pet store owners from around the world, and they educated us about their products, and they're giving us a discount, a sale, and it ends tomorrow. So click on our website, AwesomePetFood.com, or Totally Awesome Prices, and get your order in before tomorrow, and so we can get it anywhere from 10 to 50% off depending on which manufacturer. And there's some really good products, and we're giving free shipping. Anyways, hope all's well. Ricky Bobby, he wants nothing but the best for your pets and you. And remember, we want your pets to be first, not last. Shake and bake.